Hello everyone, and welcome to the Squirrel Wrangler podcast, where we guide humans to navigate the journey of personal growth and transformation, and wrangle their inner squirrels so they can live in peace and joy. Join us as we explore insights and strategies to nurture your ideas and embrace challenges for development. We discuss continuous self-improvement and learning from experiences, empowering you to achieve your goals. Let's get today's party started and find out what nuts the Squirrel Wrangler has dug up today in this thing we call life. Listeners, thank you. The gardener lovingly tends to the vibrant flowers, unaware of the impending challenges as critters intrude. Realizing the damage done to the gardener decides that building stronger boundaries is essential. With sturdy boundaries in place, the flowers bloom once more, thriving without constant repair. The gardener finds joy and tranquility in the garden, now a sanctuary of resilience and beauty. Are you a coach, entrepreneur, or consultant with rough edges around your boundaries? Join Calm Through Change for Entrepreneurs at stacybreaca.com/CALM. We look forward to seeing you there. Thank you for joining this episode of the Squirrel Wrangler podcast. We truly value your participation. Your engagement empowers our community to grow. Together, we explore fascinating insights and ideas. Are you facing worries or challenges right now? Book a free anxiety-busting session with the Squirrel Wrangler at stacybreaca.com/book. Stay connected for future episodes. Your journey continues with fresh opportunities and discoveries because your journey is literally infinite. Listeners, thank you for joining this episode.